Hello dear students, welcome for the lecture series on tourism. Today's discussion is on the topic glassware. Glassware is really anything made out of glass. Anything made from it usually refers to glasses or articles of glass, especially drinking glasses. Glass is made by heating sand until it melts and then allowing it to cool. To get different types of glass, various metal-based alkalis are added to the sand mixture. In addition, different materials are added to the mixture to affect color and create the patterns found in the different types of glasses available today. When purchasing glassware, shoppers first need to determine what type of glassware they need, such as typical dining ware for home use or fancier glassware for special occasions. Do shoppers want glasses for typical dining at home? Do they need to buy wine glasses for formal dinners? Or does a business need to buy simple, sturdy glassware for a restaurant? And finally, shoppers should know whether the glassware will be used extensively or just occasionally. Taking all these factors into consideration can help any buyer choose the right type of glassware for their needs. In this lesson, let us study the following aspects: different types of glasses and glasswares, importance of glasswares in kitchen, role of glassware in food industry, popularity of glasswares, and glassware industry. Let us start with different types of glasses and glasswares. Glassware, for the most part, is typically made by placing molten glass into molds, called pressed glass. Much of the glassware used today is made by this way. In addition to pressed glass, there are other popular glass types that have been used over the years. Pressed glass is manufactured by pouring molten glass into a mold. On the other hand, cut glass is made by cutting away part of the glass in different intricate designs typically found in drinking glasses. Tiffany glass, a very unusual sparkling glass, collectible Victorian art glass that was originally created in Europe. Just as there are different types of glass, there are a multitude of glassware options, from beer steins to decanters, martini glasses, and more. The following are the different types of glass. Beer stein, also called a beer mug. Beer steins are tall, thick glasses with a handle on one side. Not all modern beer steins have a lid like older models. Next is brandy or cognac snifter. Snifters are short stemware glasses that feature a wide bottom and a narrower top. The large surface area helps the liquid evaporate, while the narrower top holds the aroma within the glass. Champagne flute, glass stemware with a tall, narrow bowl. The stem allows the drinker to hold the glass without affecting the temperature of the liquid inside the glass, and the bowl is designed to hold the carbonation. Next is Collins glass, similar to a highball glass but narrower and taller, used to serve mixed drinks and cocktails. Next type is cordial glass, used for serving after dinner liquors, resembles a short wine glass, also referred to as a pony glass. Decanter, normally used as a serving vessel for wine, designed to keep sediment from pouring into the glass of the drinker, typically comes with a stopper to limit exposure of the contents to air. Next is double old-fashioned glass, a short tumbler used for serving alcoholic beverages, has a wide brim and a thick base. Highball glass, a tall tumbler used to serve cocktails and other mixed drinks, taller than an old-fashioned glass but shorter than a Collins glass. Irish coffee glass, a wide mouth glass much like a goblet with a handle used to serve Irish coffee, which is typically served with alcohol. Next type is juice glass, also called a low ball glass, a short, wide mouth tumbler with a thick base used for serving a variety of alcoholic beverages. Martini glass, stemware with a cone-shaped bowl to hold the alcoholic beverage, mainly used to serve cocktails. The stem allows the drinker to hold the glass without affecting the temperature of the drink inside. Mug, smaller glasses similar to beer steins, short, wide mouth, thick based glasses with a handle on one side. Next is pint glass. Pint glasses are used primarily to serve beer and come in British or American pint sizes. The most common pint glass shape is that one of the inverted cone. Pitcher. Pitchers come in a variety of styles but all perform the same function, holding liquid to be poured into other containers such as glasses. Coming to shot glass, a small glass designed to hold an alcoholic beverage. They are called shots because they only hold a dose or small amount of liquid. Next is tumbler, a flat bottom drinking glass. They comprise high ball and low ball glasses as well as Collins glasses among other glass types. Water goblet. Unlike a wine glass, water goblets have a wide mouth and deep belly, also has a more substantial stem. We shall move on to importance of glasswares in kitchen. Kitchens today are the hub of the home. Being an area for meal preparation, kitchen functions as a dining room, living area, family room and entertaining space as well. As such, kitchen design is supreme to enhancing the overall appeal of home. The glassware segment can be divided into three types of products, each having its own specific purpose. Drinking glasses is the first and one of the largest groups. It includes tumblers, crystalware and stemware. The second group is glass cookware, including glass pots, pans and heat resistant casseroles. The third group is glass tableware, which includes glass plates, serving dishes and so on. Coming to drinking glasses. Drinking glasses come in all shapes and sizes. Each style of drinking glassware serves a specific purpose. Some are designed to direct the aroma of wine to the nose before drinking, while others are built for durability. Drinking glasses are often classified by the presence or absence of a stem and the style of bowl. The shape of the glass combined with a fluid capacity enables each piece of glassware to fill a particular role when serving beverages. Next is glass cookware. Sometimes people prefer glass cookware for preparing a wide variety of different dishes. However, there are some things that every good cook should know before they make their purchases. Glass cookware is great for taking dishes from the oven to the table. The look of the dishes do not have to be disturbed since the cook does not have to remove the ingredients from the cooking dish to a nice looking serving pan. The food will also stay warmer when it left in the dish that it was prepared in. These dishes also serve dual purposes because it can save the cook time, especially when they are in running late. When a homeowner is choosing glass cookware, they may want to shop around to find the best types with the most affordable price ranges. It is also designed to look great on the table as serving dishes. Therefore, for those who want to impress their guests, they may feel the need to purchase the best kind available on the market today. The quality of the materials will also have a great impact on the type of cookware purchased. Next is glass tableware. In that, cutlery. Cutlery, by which we mean forks, knives and spoons, has been in widespread use for nearly 200 years now. Traditionally, it was made from a wide variety of different materials such as wood, bone, ceramic, iron kind of materials. Nowadays, though the range of materials used for cutlery is much narrower, mainly limited to stainless steel, silver, plastic or wood. Next kind is plateware. This includes different types of glass plates with different shapes, bottles and condiment containers. Thinking of condiment containers, people have very specific associations regarding the shape and materials of such bottles, which might influence their perception of food and drinks. Next, move on to role of glassware in food industry. At a busy restaurant, things happen fast. Dinner plates come and go, tables are buzzed, glassware is switched out and the next patron sits down for a meal. At least one glass is used for every patron and then gets washed and turned over to the next customer. Durability is must, but functionality and presentation are also important. Bars have different glassware needs than other aspects of a food service operation. Pubs and bar areas tend to use more glasses for each person than a full service dining room. The bar area also requires a wider variety of glassware than other parts of a restaurant. Water glasses. Every place setting needs a water glass. These glasses can be used for any purpose, but we can choose to use smaller glasses for water than we use for other beverages, since a lot of guests use water to supplement their beverages, not act as the primary beverage. Beverage glasses. These glasses can be used to hold any beverage. Next is juice glasses. Every place that serves breakfast, brunch or juice at any hour should have a supply of juice glasses. These small glasses are usually about 4 to 6 ounces and are designed to hold small portions of juice. Coming to coffee glasses. Whether it is for holding coffee at breakfast or for holding coffee drinks for after dinner, coffee glasses are a great way to dress up cafe mixture. Consider using these instead of traditional ceramic mugs for a different touch. Coming to barware durability. The thicker the glass, the less likely it is to break. Beverage glasses or highball glasses should be thick. Glasses with a beaded or rolled rim are less likely to crack or break than those without. Straight edge glasses are more durable than flared or curvy glasses. For busy operations that have a lot of glasses turnover, consider using straight edge glasses. These are less likely to break than flared or curved glasses because their structure is more stable. Treated glass is more durable. Most commercial glassware goes through a series of processes after being pressed into its shapes. They are made stronger through annealing and some are heat treated for extra durability. When heat treating makes glasses more resistant to thermal and mechanical shock, they still have the potential to break. When treated glasses do break, they tend to shatter. Next, coming to popularity of glasswares. Glasswares are very popular in every sector, these days replacing other sorts of equipments made by paper, plastic, wood, aluminium, silver or gold. Especially in the food industry, glasswares are widely used in restaurants, multi-cuisine hotels, bars and kitchens because of their style, flawless structure, and durability and a glittering charm. Nowadays, all sectors from kitchen to laboratory widely using these glasswares. It would not be far-fetched to say that crystal glassware has caught the fancy of a majority of Indians. India has over 560 firms dealing in crystal glassware, and the glassware industry is said to be worth over 5,500 crores. Be it wine glasses, bowls, decanters or decorative pieces, crystalware is in great demand. Earlier, these products had a niche clientele, but with incomes rising, especially among the Indian middle class, there is growing demand for crystal in larger sections of society. A symbol of refined taste, crystalware is today the preferred choice of any brand conscious Indian. Crystal and glassware are not just used for ornamental purposes and tableware at homes, but their popularity is also growing as far as the gift market is concerned. While engraved personalized gifts in crystal have gained popularity in the Indian market, crystalware is also being increasingly used in the form of corporate gifts. Such gift looks elegant, and by engraving a company name or logo or message on it, it serves the purpose of promotions too. The popularity of glass and crystalware in India is attracting the attention of many foreign manufacturers. The global glassware market is estimated to be worth $6 to $7 billion, while in India it is $10 to $15 million. And more domestic and foreign players are set to enter India's growing market for crystal and glassware products. And its growth is likely to reach new heights with a surge in the hospitality sector in India. Decorative and fancy crystal glass articles like bowls, vases, art pieces, decanters, ashtrays, fruit plates have a good domestic demand as well as export market. These are presently being made from imported full lid crystal glass using sophisticated equipment. The prime objective of using fiberglass is to give mechanical strength to composite material, since it is non-corrosive, lighter than aluminum but stronger than steel. Printed glass comes with a print of different designs which are mostly seen on drinking bottles, flasks, drinking glasses, cups and jars with attractive design that suits every home decor. Apart from domestic use, India's crystal and glassware industry has a viable export outlet in the United States, East and West Asia, Canada and several European countries. The Indian glass industry has a rich history. From mouth-blown and hand-working processes, it has taken to automation in a big way, although traditional manufacturing processes have not been abandoned. Mouth-blown and handcrafted glassware have a dominant role in decorative and table glassware products which are exported in large quantities. Every year, this industry is set to show a growth of 10 to 20% or more, particularly during festival season. Though the industry is old, it continues to come up with new and fresh innovations. Now, let's take a look on glassware industry. The Indian glass industry has been growing across all segments. This growth has been driven primarily by India's growing automotive and construction sectors in which glass is used. The container glass industry benefits from growing awareness on account of rising hygienic packaging demand, growing population, increasing per capita income of average Indians, and low per capita glass consumption. Incidentally, the per capita glass consumption in India for container glass is 1.2 kg, which offers tremendous scope for rise. At the end of December 2011, the profitability of glass and glass product sector was dampened due to the pressure on the margins. The margins of many major players were impacted mainly due to the rise in the raw material cost and power and fuel cost. HSIL, one of the major players in the container glass segment, as is said to improve their margins, have taken price hikes. The price of soda ash is a major cost in the raw material segment. Higher cost of input, particularly soda ash, which constitutes about 30% of cost of production of glass products, is one of the major factors contributing to the higher cost of glass and glassware. Major manufacturers of soda ash in India are Tata Chemicals, GHCL, DCW and Nirma, and Saurashtra Chemicals. They continue to rule the Indian soda ash market by fixing the price of soda ash based on the landed cost of imports. The aggregate net sales of 13 glass and glass product manufacturing companies grew by 9% to Rs 1,366 crore during the end of the December 2011. Hindustan National Glass, the largest producer of glass containers in India, reported 27% growth in the net sales to Rs 511 crore. The net sales of Piramal Glass, leading global manufacturer of specialty glass containers, grew by 14% to Rs 228 crore during the quarter end of the December 2011. Having achieved a consistent performance, the company is confident to maintaining this momentum and look forward to further improving the margins and sales. Now, we can conclude the session by saying that glasswares are the part of our daily life, even though they are delicate and difficult to handle. And they are popular all over the world, extensively used in food and beverage outlets, in houses and in laboratories, and also in industries. And because of this reason, glassware making industry is a major part of economy. In the olden days, it's a symbol of richness, and in recent days, its use widely distributed without any restrictions even for a common man. And in India, glassware industry is a major part of the country's economy. So students, thank you for watching this program. We will meet in the next episode. Till then, take care. Thank you.